To use Steam recording feature, you will need to click on the Steam icon in the top left corner of your screen, navigate to the settings, scroll down and select game recording. Then you will need to activate it to record in the background. We can scroll down and then change our folder. Make sure you have enough space on that disk to actually record. And from there, your Steam recording is set. Now we can start any game. When the game opens and for example hour passes, you can open your Steam interface. By default it should be Shift and Tab, and then you will see this panel on the top. Now you'll be able to check the previous timeline like this. As you can see, here's the game opening and there's our recording, and you can clip it with the clip button, then save and share it. Now let's exit the game, click on View, go for Recordings and Screenshots, and right here you'll be able to find all of the previous recordings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.